D-99 maiden flight. There's Kevin. That's his bird. Oh yeah, let's see the bottom.
We get a couple clicks up trim in there.
Very nice. I believe I'll do the hand launch.
That's my trusty strong arm buddy Brian. Alright.
Oh yeah, you can see that thing for days. I gotta say, I love pink now.
Oh, this thing is fucking not gonna bleed off speed, is it?
Nope, it's just like my Sun Racer.
I'll step out a little bit so I can wait with. Climbing for sure on throttle. Definitely climbing on throttle. I don't think I'll do much of that.
I'll land with the battery. You see you fight in the elevator. At least I waited my second flight to do an aileron roll, bro. Do something fast and slow down and land. I'll stop this video. That wing looks great.
It's so hard to keep it in a pattern. It's totally climbing on the elevator, on the throttle. About half throttle. Just full throttle, almost no elevator. Yeah, let's see how she's gonna land. Step back a little bit. Not taking it around again.
Yeah, I think I had to do that the first 3 times I tried to land my Sun Racer.
Ran out of elevator. So that went pretty well.
That was an outstanding maiden. We'll shut off the camera as soon as we make sure it's in one piece.
Rough landing.
Oh, I love the way that thing stands out in the air.
Top's good.
Awesome, Maiden.